Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Carlota from the Casagrandes. Grab your marker and let's begin. We're going to start right here on top of the page. And we're going to go and we're going to draw an oval. Now within this oval, we're going to start and we're going to draw eyes. So I'm going to start on this side. And I'm just going to draw an oval for an eye right there. From here, I'll draw a little button, not button nose, but just a nose going to this side. And now we're going to go and we're going to draw the other eye. And I'm going to draw it a little bigger than usual. There we go. I'm going to do a pupil. There's one. And I'm going to start here and I'm going to make another pupil. Now what we're going to do, we're going to make two light reflections in each pupil. And we're going to fill the pupils in. Next, I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a jawline. We're just going to draw a little hook like that. Now we're going to start with the mouth. And you're just going to draw a little line going up. And we're going to draw a little heart shape right here. And there's her mouth. And next to the cheeks here, I'm going to make two circles. That's going to be her earrings. And then right here, I'm going to draw her ears. I'm going to do the inner ear downwards. And on this side we're going to do the same. Now right in the middle I'm going to make a little dot, and from this dot we're just going to make a line out, curve like this, and we're going to do this on this side as well. Just curve outwards, and now from this curve you're going to go back and you're just going to connect it like this. Right above the eyes you're going to make the eyebrows. And then we're going to go down and we're going to draw her neck. We start there and we're just going to draw two little lines down. Now that we have the neck, we're going to draw a little oval underneath. We're just going to make a little collar there as well. And of course, we're just going to make a little button. Now for her waist, we're just going to bring two lines down, connect it, and there's going to be another little button. From here, we're going to do a dress. So I'm just going to draw a line like this, and on this side, I'm going to draw another line going like this. We're going to do the bottom of the dress. There we go, and we're just going to bring it back like this. And of course, we're just going to make a line there. And right here, I'm going to divide the dress. Maybe make 3 buttons right here as well. Now on the side, we're going to start making her jewelry. And I'm just going to make 3 little. And then on this side, we're going to do the same as well. 1, 2, 3. From here, I'm going to draw 3 fingers, and on this side you're going to do the same as well. 3 fingers going down. Right here, shoulder, make the arm, and on this side we're going to do the same. We're going to draw the shoulder, and then I'm just going to bring a line down in the middle there and another line down there as well. Now on the side we have her hair, and we're going to go and we're just going to draw some hair here. I'm just going to make a line here as well. And I'll just bring her hair up like that as well. Good. And now we can fill in her hair. Now we're going to start here, and we can start with her legs. And I'm just going to bring a little line down like this, and on this side we're going to do the same. We're going to connect it, and then right here I'm going to bring a little line down, and I'm going to connect it as well. Now right above you can draw the socks, and then I'm going to extend here, and I'm going to start with the boot. So I'm going to do the heel, bring a line down, and bring it up again. Then I'm just going to do this part of the boot, bring it over and connect it. And there's Carlota. Look at my picture and try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.